Hey guys, Danny Johnson here. 6.5 years ago, I applied this Polycuramine floor coating to my garage. I do a lot of automotive stuff, and I've even had a few reviews over the years so you can see how it's held up. A 3.5-year review, even a 5-year review, and again, I'm up to 6.5 years now, and I wanted to show you how it's holding up under a lot of automotive repairs. So it's not just driving in and out of the garage. And so I had a huge project a few months ago. It was for the Yukon Denali, and check the video description. You can see my whole walkthrough on this, but it made a mess. We had engine coolant and oil and all kinds of junk that went onto the ground. And so I wanted to show you how the floor held up to that, how it cleaned up, and over the years, how it is. So basically, with some degreaser, I was able to spray it down, and you can see how easy it mopped up, and you can see how filthy this floor was. The engine coolant and the oil mixing together, it was sticky, and it cleaned right off. This would not happen with regular cement. So I'm really happy with this product. In my previous house, I'd done the epoxy, and this Polycuramine is a little more smooth than that, but it held up perfectly to this. As you can see, this was really nasty. Now, I do want to show you some of the parts of the floor that are starting to fade a little bit. So after pressure washing this and getting it pretty clean, it has done a great job not chipping, and that's what the Polycuramine's supposed to do, is not chip as much as epoxy would. But you can see where the floor is starting to turn that pale white color, and so it is starting to fade basically where the garage has been open and direct sunlight has been on it for 6.5 years. But the rest of it still looks really good. It does have places where there's some stains, and more of the degreaser and some more work would probably get it out. But for 6.5 years and being very hard treated, I think it's done a really good job. In the areas over here, that's more just walking area where cars haven't been driving back and forth, it still has a pretty good shine to it. Not quite like when it was new, but with no clear coat coating, just the Polycuramine itself, this is how it turned out. So I think it's holding up really well considering the age and also what I've put it through. And yes, it is starting to show some signs of fading, and it does have some darker spots, and when you drive your car over it, it does leave tire marks. But anyway, I just wanted to give you this quick review, and check the video description for my other thorough reviews and cleaning, as well as how I applied the Polycuramine coating, and in the video description where you can pick it up if you want to purchase it. So thanks for watching, and please put any questions that you have in the comments. I'd be happy to answer it to the best that I can, and I'll also put playlists to the videos that I've done for this. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks, guys.